Hello student, let's try to know about the IUPAC name of ethers. Okay, so if you talk about ethers, student, ethers, so this is having the ROR, means both side of the oxygen there will be the alkyl group. These are the ethers. Now students, that is if you are talking about common name, okay, common name. So how you write the common name, student? Okay, so when you are trying to write the common name, student, that you need to IUPAC say, that is you need to pick the prefix as alphabetical order. So it is what is name, student, common name is dialkyl ether. This is the okay, or also you can write the alkyl ether, alkyl ether. Okay, alkyl ether. This is alkyl ether. Now these two alkyl group are there, student, alkyl and alkyl. These two should be the alphabetical order. These two be what order, student? Alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. Now student, these things, suppose we are having this example CH3O CH2, here is CH2 and CH3, this compound is there. Now see student, both side this is the different, this is the different, but this group is called what, student? Ethyl, and this group is called methyl. So but the name is not the methyl ethyl ether. What is alphabetically? E will come first, then M will come. So if you are writing common name, CN means common name, so what will be there, student? Ethyl, then it will be the methyl, and then what will be there, student? Ether. But if suppose it is the same group is there, na, student, CH3O CH3, this is, so same group is there, so that is called dimethyl ether. This is what? Dimethyl ether. Now if suppose you are having C2H5, then O, here is C2H5, so it is what? The same is there, means you need to use the di word, diethyl ether, diethyl ether, right? This way. Now you go for the IUPAC name. There is the rule for IUPAC name, student. Okay, so what is the rule is saying, student? Alkyl group. What is alkyl group? Alkyl group having what? Having more carbon. Any alkyl group having more carbon is parent chain. It is going to be parent chain. Now second one, what is alkyl group having what, student? Having less carbon. Its prefix, it should be the prefix. Now student, suppose it is the OCH3, this group is what, student? That is methoxy. OC2H5, this is the ethoxy. How you will write the name? Now student, let us go with the example here. What is there? Now two CH3 group are the same, student, so common name is dimethyl ether, but here what is IUPAC name? That is both carbon are same, so one will be the prefix, ethers are going to be prefix, so this is the methoxy, and then one carbon meth, single bond in N, methoxy. Here is C2H5 OC2H5 diethyl ether, so this is what? Ethoxyethane. So this is the prefix, eth plus oxygen, ethoxy, then ethane. Now here you see, student, this is the important one, CH3O CH2 CH3. Okay, let me tell you, student, how you will be able to write this one. Okay. Now see, this one we are taking, student, what? Third one. So here is CH3 is there, student, then O, then here is CH2, then CH2, and then CH3. Up common name, student, common name. How you will be able to write common name, student? So see, for writing common name we will follow, that is alphabet. This group is methyl, and this group is what, student? Propyl. So which one will come first, student? So MNOP, so methyl will come first, student. So methyl, this will be what student? Methyl propyl, this will be methyl propyl ether, right? This is. Now student, if I will ask that is IUPAC friend, IUPAC, so what will be there student? A smaller one will the prefix, this is going to be prefix, so that will be what student? Methoxy, this is going to be methoxy, then 1 2 3, then it is prop, single bond is there, methoxy propane. Now check in the here NCERT book, so methyl propyl ether, methoxy propane, this is. Now here you see student C6H5O CH3, this is a common name is anisole, also known as methyl phenyl ether student, methyl phenyl, because M will come first na, methyl phenyl ether. And if you are talking IUPAC, methoxy benzene, so this is what, very simple. Here ethoxy benzene is student, ethoxy benzene and phenitol, ethyl phenyl ether. So this is how we write the IUPAC and common name of the ether. Now let us go with the some more example student, right? So we will try to see the common name as well as the IUPAC name. This is what a compound O here is student, or this compound also you can write student CH3, this is the CH, here is CH3, this is the O, here is CH2, this is the CH3. Student, here you see 1, this is 2 and 3. So this is what is they called student? Ethoxy, this is the ethoxy will come, ethoxy, what position? To second place, 2 ethoxy, and what is there student? Prop, single bond is N. This is the IUPAC friend, this is IUPAC. What is the common name student? What is the common name? Let us go with the common name. So this is the isopropyl group student, and this is ethyl. So ethyl will come student first, so it will come ethyl, ethyl isopropyl, ethyl isopropyl ether. This is what is the common name student, ethyl isopropyl ether, this is what. Now let us move on the next example student. What is the example which we are having? Suppose we are having this one O and here is CH3. So how can we write the common name? Let us try to write the common name student. So see, it is the cyclopentyl, cyclo, so C will come first and this is methyl. So how we will write student? Cyclopentyl, PENTYL, pentyl, then it is methyl, then it is ether. Okay, cyclopentyl methyl ether. Now we need to understand IUPAC also. What is the IUPAC? So we have to write the first one M. This is the less number of carbon na? So what will be there? What root will be there student? Methoxy, methoxy. This will be cyclo, CYCLO, methyl cyclopentane, CYCLO, cyclopentane, methyl cyclopentane. So this is what? Methoxy cyclopentane. Let me go with the another example student. What we can write here? Suppose if we are having O, CH2 and CH3. So again this is the cyclohexyl, C starting from the 6 cyclo, this is hexyl, and this is what student? This is the methyl. So common name you have to see that which will come first, C or M. So C will come first. So common name, what will be there student? So it will be the cyclo, this is the cyclohexyl, and then it is the methyl, this is the methyl, and finally it will be the ether. Now let us go with the IUPAC. What will be the IUPAC student? So alphabetic, here you see number of carbon is 6, here is 2. So that is what will be there student? Ethoxy, this is with the ethoxy, then it will be cyclohexane, ethoxy cyclohexane, this will be. Let us move on the some more problem student. If suppose the compound is there CH3O, then here is CH2, then CH2, then O and CH3, this is there student. So how we will write student? So if you are talking about this is the methoxy and this is the methoxy 1 2, So what we will write, comma 1 comma 2, it will be the dimethoxy student, 1 comma 2 dimethoxy eth single bond N, 1 comma 2 dimethoxy ethane. This is what is the name student. Now let us try to understand one more problem student. What is CH3? This is the O, here is C, this is what student, CH3, this is again CH3 and this is again CH3. So dear student, how can you do? This is the 1 2 3. So IUPAC I am writing student, IUPAC. So 2 methoxy, methoxy, then it will be there student 2 methyl, and it will be what student, propane. So this is how we write the IUPAC name of the ether student. Thank you so much for watching student. I hope it will be clear to you to understand. Thank you.